Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Foundation app to buy and sell NFT editions, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Foundation app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create a new account. Provide the necessary information such as your email address, username, and password. After registering, confirm your email through the link sent to your inbox. Log into the Foundation app with your newly created credentials. Next, you'll need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet that supports NFTs, such as MetaMask. Download the MetaMask extension or app if you haven't already. Create a new wallet within MetaMask and secure it by noting down your recovery phrase. Fund your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum as this is the currency used for transactions on Foundation. Link your MetaMask wallet to the Foundation app by clicking on the wallet icon. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Now that your wallet is connected, navigate to the home screen to start exploring NFT editions. To create an NFT, click on the Create button usually located at the bottom of the screen. Upload the digital file you wish to turn into an NFT. Provide essential details like the title, description, and any royalties you wish to set. After filling in the required information, review everything carefully. Click on the Mint button to initiate the NFT creation process. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet to finalize the minting. Once minted, your NFT will appear in your profile under My Creations. To list your NFT for sale, go to the NFTs details. Hit the Sell button to initiate the selling process. Set your desired price for the edition in Ethereum. Choose whether you want to offer auction or fixed price options. Review all details once more before proceeding to the next step. Confirm the listing in your MetaMask wallet when prompted. Your NFT edition is now live and available for purchase on the Foundation platform. To buy an NFT, browse the marketplace or search for specific creators. Once you find an NFT you want to purchase, click on it to view details. Check the pricing and any additional information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.